Hello everyone, my name is Misa Simble and I'm here to talk about the challenges that young people in Rwanda are experiencing. Yes, and one of the major things is unemployment as well as education and peer pressure. Most of the time you may find that a lot of people are discouraged in terms of applying abroad, and most of it just brings the people down. Owing to this, I'll talk about unemployment. You may find that one person has graduated and just sitting there doing nothing, and most of the time you may find that like the other groups, like the peers, would discourage the same person who wants to apply. He or she may be discouraged and will lose faith, and that's how most of the people are just slaying around, even going to do drugs, getting drunk, and all sorts of things. And education in Russia, what I can say is that it's balancing. It's balancing, because you may find that some are not interested, that's how they just end up in poverty, and others are interested and they even manage to go abroad. I would like to recommend that you may come to this library and with the help of Madam Teresa, because she has really helped me and it would be a good experience. I encourage you to come here, study, do your research, and all sorts of educative stuff that will help you prosper in life. Thank you very much.